candlelight meditation or third eye meditation. In this meditation, we are going to learn about our third eye and increase the strength of our third eye and eye gazing. To do so, we need to focus our whole attention to this light. So, if you are watching this video, just focus on for a while. This video will help you increase your gazing power with third eye meditation. This meditation can be done in the evening time or early morning time. This 7-minute meditation will make you more confident and increase your healing ability. You can heal your clients through your gazing, through your hands by touching or without touching. So keep staring at the candle for a while. Take long deep breaths 3 times. Take long deep breaths 3 times. Listen to the sound, more aware. Do not react to the sound you hear around. Just be it. Completely bring your all awareness to your third eye. Bring your all awareness to your third eye and stare the light. Feel how the light waves moves from here to there. In the same way, your mind, your thoughts may be rising ups and downs. So bring your all awareness, all thoughts in your third eye. Slowly and slowly, when you feel the heaviness in your third eye, you can close. But keep listening to my voice. My voice will draw your all awareness and keep you meditating. When your eyes are closed, visualize the light inside your third eye. Visualize exactly the same, maybe bigger in size, and also see what colors you can see. See the outer color of this light and the other colors as you go in the center of this image formed in your third eye. Try to increase the image formed on your third eye. But once the image is getting smaller and smaller, open your eyes gently and keep staring. Keep watching with the sound. Bringing all your attention, bringing all your awareness to your third eye. Keep watching, keep staring, keep looking to the light and the moment it creates. You can gently close your eyes and observe the image formed inside your eyes, inside your third eye. And feel that you are more energetic, more confident, and more strong. Your eyes, when you become a healer, is getting stronger. Your all energies will be on your eyes. So when you stare at somebody's eyes, they will go easily into trance. So now, open for the last moment. Open your eyes gently and stare at the light for the last moment. Stare it. And when the candle goes off, close your eyes and visualize that your body is healing. You are healing yourself. You are more than yourself. Just look at the light, flame, the colors of the flame, the beauty of the flame. And now it's time to close your eyes. Just close your eyes and meditate. Meditate for a while. Just meditate for a while. Keep meditating for a while. And when you wake up, you see the changes in yourself. You see the relaxation in yourself. You can feel the strength in yourself. You can feel the magnificence in yourself. You can feel the healer side of yourself. Now you became the healer. Practice this meditation every day. Practice this meditation every day. And this shall give you all the energy you need. All the spiritual energy you need for your development, for your client development. Just be it. And when you are done, gently close your eyes and be thankful for yourself. And when you are done, gently close your eyes or open your eyes as you want to be.